What is up, my YouTube friends? So hey, I ordered some things online. Well, I actually got them from eBay. This company has an eBay store, and they have nice products. I've bought some things from them before, and I'm real happy with them. This is who they are: Gamers Grass. I'll put a link to their YouTube channel. I won't put a link to their eBay store because it'll probably be in their YouTube channel, but if you scan that, you'll go to their YouTube channel. Let me show you what I bought. I bought this MDF paint tray. I like these little cups. I've been wanting them, but Hobby Lobby has them, and there's 2 in a pack, and they're $6 or something. I was like, I'm not paying $6. And then I was just going through the store over there on eBay, picking out some other things, and I saw these, and they were like $7.99 or something, and they have this nice little holder, which is pretty cool. I'll put it together and show you it when I'm done here. I had bought some of these before. Tufts. These particular ones are 4mm green. I bought 6mm assorted green, I think it is. And they have some really nice colors. There's quite a bit of them in here. I know you can make them, but I think this pack was like, there's 144 of them in here. I think this pack was like $5 and some odd cents. Like, I'm not going to sit here and waste my time making things like these. But, you know, I did make these, right, just to see if I could, because I was going to make these, but I found these cheap enough. And I'll still make a couple more of these. You know, I don't need a lot of those. But, yeah, so I got this 4mm one, and then I got this yellow flowers. There's 70 of them. They're wild flowers. They look pretty nice. So I'll pop them around in places, you know. Those wildflowers add a little beauty to your layout. Flowers do in general. I like flowers. So I'm going to put this together and bring you back, but I got this Display. Display makes a lot of awesome tools. They make something that I want, but I didn't get it this time. But this is an awesome little kit here that Display makes. It's sandpaper, right? 400, 600, 800, 1000, 1200, 1500, and I believe there's 120 pieces, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, so there must be 20 of each in for the grits, right? And again, Display makes awesome things, and they give you some grit stickers, right, to tell you what grit is on here. One of the reasons why I bought this thing was the awesome holder that comes with it. Everything is color coded, and I have things like this at my shop that are color coded for grits that I use. These are incredible, and when I tell you how much they were, you're just not going to believe me. Right, so they're these nice little blocks that you attach to sandpaper to, right? And yeah, I don't know how it will hold up. I don't know. They must I don't know. I have to check it out, but like I said, each one is a different grit, and Each one's a different color, right, for that specific grit. And yeah, $19.99 for this thing. Yes, I know, specific to this. This paper isn't that expensive. It really isn't. You're not gonna like, it's not like you're sanding a full-size car and you need like thousands of these. You know, I'm not gonna go through all this sandpaper. But I got this nice holder, and yeah, it just like, I didn't think it was going to be as nice as it is, to be truthful with you. I did not think it was going to be this nice. Oh, so in here, did I say? Yeah, starts at 400. And then they have other grits too, so you could always change your grits if you want to. But yeah, for what this is, how it's all organized, you just pick this up and go anywhere. $19.99, something like that. And it's not even, you know, it's not a lot of money. And yeah, it's pretty sweet. But I'll bring you back when I put together this little thing. It's not going to be that hard to put together, I'm sure. Or maybe we'll just put it together here. How's that? Just because. Yeah, I like those. I like those. I like those cups. So you probably scan that, and it'll probably, I don't know, tell you how to put it together or something. But yeah, it doesn't take a genius to figure this out. Or maybe it does. I don't know. Let's see. I'll cut this out and then bring it back. Just real fast. There's only a couple tabs, and you can tell where the tab is. You see here. It's kind of like where the laser kind of left a little tab, and there's 4 tabs on each one. It's pretty easy. Doing the old trusty quick and thick. Yeah, it's pretty simple. Let me get it flowing first. My bottle's almost empty. I had to get another one. Here we go. Not too worried about. I'm gonna stick some on the edge. That's it. This is the bottom, like the underside of this thing. Just put a little. I don't need much. Put a little bit in the tab. I really should get my other bottle, but I hate opening 2 bottles of glue. It's not good to have a bunch of bottles. Well, it depends on if you're using it a lot. At my shop, I use it a lot. Well, used to. It's easier to put it on here, I think. Pretty simple, pretty straightforward, right? Everything kind of locks together. Joints are tight too, which is nice. That's what you want, tight joints. But yeah, they did a nice job. And again, the price is like great. You just can't beat the price, I don't think. I don't know if at Hobby Lobby there were 4 of them in there or 2 of them. I can't remember, but either way, I wasn't paying that much for 4 of them or 2 of them. But this, what's nice about this is Accidents happen. Yeah, man, accidents happen. You know, the other day when I was doing my when I was weathering that my abandoned track, don't you know, I had so much crap on my table here. I knocked my jar of Tamiya red hold. I dropped my XF9. Had a nice little puddle here. It wasn't too bad because I kind of worked from that puddle. But, you know, it's always nice to have something to hold things. Kind of like, kind of like my glue holder, you know. It's always nice. Oh, sorry. Dennis is probably having a conniption if he's watching, but either way, hold on. Pretty simple dimple. I don't know why that bottom is like that, but it's kind of weird. Yeah, I don't know why the bottom is open like that. Maybe just to, I don't know, help you make it lighter, make it easier. Like, I don't know, whatever. Maybe it tells you somewhere in the directions. Directions. Who needs directions? Directions are for the inept. You know who needs directions? Young kids. They need directions. They need a lot of directions. Probably way more than we can give them. These darn whippersnappers. And that's it, man. Just wipe up your mess. Right. That's it. And now you have a nice little holder, and your little things won't fall over. It's nice and stable. Makes it great. Anyway, yeah, go check out this Green Stuff World. Or not, that's who makes this, right? Green Stuff World. But this company, Gamers Grass, I think they're in Tennessee. Shipping's pretty fast, very reasonable. That's one of the things I liked about them, you know. I had bought things on eBay, and shipping was cheaper than they anticipated. And they sent me an email and told me that they were going to refund me some of my money for shipping. Who does that? Not many people. So go check out Gamers Grass. I will put a link to them in this video. Go get yourself some cool stuff. They have a lot. 2mm, 4mm, 6mm, purple, blue, red. All kinds of colors, man. Tons of stuff. They carry a lot of display stuff too. Display is, like I said, they're quality tools, and most of the time their prices everywhere are pretty much the same. Yeah, you can look around and be careful of the knockoffs, all right? There's a lot of ones that look like Display stuff. Unless it says Display, it's not Display, okay? Watch out for the knockoffs. If it's too good to be true, it usually is. Peace. Hope you have a great day. Be well, be blessed. See you on the next one.